Mwesigwa Brenda, offering DIT Year 1 Semester 2. I'm going to present about normalization in database. So let's begin from the definition of normalization. Normalization refers to the process of organizing data within a database to reduce redundancy and dependence, ensuring data integrity and flexibility. Normalization has types, and they are like 7 types. We have first normal form, second normal form, third, fourth, fifth, voice code domain, of which the first one, second one, and third one we started them with Madam Nakato. So we are going to look at fourth normal form, fifth normal form, voice code, and domain normal form. So let's begin with the fourth normal form. The fourth normal form is a level of database normalization that focuses on eliminating trivial multi-value dependencies other than a candidate key in a relational database. It also builds upon the requirements of the first 3 normal forms. That includes first normal form, the second normal form, and the third normal form, as well as the voice code normal form. So we are going to see the benefits of fourth normal form. There is elimination of multiple dependencies, reduction of redundancy, enhanced data flexibility, improved query performance, and data integrity. We all know the reduction of redundancy in data. We know enhanced data flexibility, improved query performance, and data integrity. But the elimination of multiple dependencies, this includes primary goal of fourth normal form. Its goal is to ensure that there are no multiple dependencies present in the table other than those associated with candidate keys. So let's move ahead. This is the table to show fourth normal form. We have 3 columns. We have a candidate key attribute 1 and attribute 2. We have key value 1, key value 2, value A and B. So we have in this table, includes the student enrollment. It is a student enrollment table. There is a student ID, the course, and hobby. So let's move to fifth normal form. Fifth normal form, it's also known as projected normal form. It's one of the highest levels of normalization in database design. It is a theoretical level of normalization that ensures data integrity and eliminates data redundancy by addressing joint dependencies. Here in fifth normal form, every joint dependence in a relation must be implied by the candidate keys of that relation. The steps taken during fifth normal form. First step, we ensure fourth normal compliance. The second step is to identify joint dependencies. The third step is to analyze candidate keys. And the fourth step is to imply joint dependencies with candidate keys. The fifth step is to decompose, if necessary, lossless joint property. And lastly, normalization check. We have a table showing fifth normal form. We have used the traveling salesman product and availability by Bland. So let's see the benefits of fifth normal form. There is redundancy elimination, data integrity, improved flexibility and scalability, enhanced query performance, and data consistency. The steps taken during Let's see the Boyce code normal form. Boyce code normal form is a normal form used in database normalization, and it is a stricter version of the third normal form. Boyce code normal form helps in removing redundancies based on functional dependencies. It was first described by Learn Health in 1971 and later developed in 1974 by Raymond F. Boyce and Edgar F. Court. We have the benefits of Boyce code normal form. Benefits of Boyce code normal form. We have data integrity, reduction of redundancy, improved querying and manipulation, of which data integrity and reduction of redundancy, we have seen them in different normal forms, the fourth, fifth, and here also. So improved querying and manipulation in Boyce code with tables organized in Boyce code, querying and manipulation data become more straightforward. The clear structure of Boyce code normal form compliant tables simplifies retrieval processes and enhances the overall manageability of database. Let's see the steps taken. With step 1, we have identifying non-trivial function dependencies. Step 2, we have check for violations of Boyce code normal condition, decompose the relation, and step 4, we have repeat decomposition process. This is the table to consider during Boyce code normal form. And lastly we have a domain key normal form. A domain key normal form is a normal form used in database normalization that requires the database to contain no constraints other than domain constraints and key constraints. The steps considered during domain key normal form: we have to identify key constraints. Firstly, we have to define domain constraints. We ensure all constraints are logical consequences of keys and domains. We enforce key and domain constraints. We eliminate non-domain or key constraints, and we check dependency. And let's see the benefits of domain key normal form. And lastly, we're going to see the table to show the domain key normal form. So will you continue from the benefits of domain key?
I'm going to start from benefits of domain key normal form. Improved data integrity, reduced data redundancy, improved query performance, easier performance and update. Then lastly, better flexibility. Now, table considered during domain key normal form. Here we have wealthy person. We have wealthy person type, net worth in dollar. Here we have Steve. In person type we have millionaire. Then we go to
millionaire and billionaire.
We have Roderick, billionaire, Katrina, billionaire, Gary, millionaire.
So in this form we have two types. We have a millionaire and a billionaire, types of wealthy persons. So that's it. Thank you for listening to us. God bless you.